Every bride dreams of glowing, radiant skin on her special day. Today, I'll show you how to make a traditional homemade Ubtan that brides have trusted for generations. Here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons of gram flour, besan. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. 2 teaspoons of yogurt. A few drops of almond oil. And rose water to mix. Mix all these ingredients into a smooth paste. This Ubtan not only cleanses but also nourishes the skin deeply. Apply this Ubtan evenly on your face, neck, and hands. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. As it dries, it gently exfoliates and brightens your skin. Wash it off with lukewarm water, scrubbing gently in circular motions. Instantly, your skin feels soft, fresh, and glowing like never before. Use this Ubtan 2 to 3 times a week before your wedding day for that natural bridal glow. Skip harsh chemicals and let nature make you shine. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty secrets.